Calm down, man.
He
Calm
is
down.
known. He is known. He is known, not noob. I am known. Dia bilang I am known. Main lagi di office sekali lagi nih bro. Ini satu match karena tadi gua main pas dapat arena office dan gua pilih mungkin satu tim dengan I get it from my daddy cause dia kuat, dia hebat. Okay, I will join the contact terrorist. Fuck me man, warm up nya harus beli yang mahal-mahal dong bro. Wait, go telolet go.
Nicola, come telolet lah.
Oke telolet lah. Shit, mousku nyangkut.
Faster lah, bitch, tekan.
Sabar. Oke. Masih warm up juga loh bro. Go telolet, I love you telolet. Fuck you man. Fuck you, I kill IRRS. I need to kill the beast. Santai bro, santai. Oh shit, gua 360 no scope with Scar
Fucking
20.
telolet.
I love telolet. Get telolet. Oh shit, fully. Kayaknya teroris ini lebih hebat nih bro. Gak tahu juga bro, mudahan aja counter terorisnya.
I don't like telolet.
But I love telolet. I don't like you. Oh shit. Main update.
Casual.
Go telolet, go. Oke, gua pakai P250. Kayaknya kita akan ke sini aja nih bro. Karena gua tebaknya akan ada musuh di sebelah sini. Gua tebak ya, ada musuh itu atau dari sana. Oh, kan. Shit. What the headshot bro? I only got one hit.
Oh, fucking telolet.
Okay, andai. Telolet divers. Oh dia punya.
Yep.
IRR. Anjir ini. Oh enggak, kameranya aja nih. Gua kira dia jongkok bro. Holy shit. This Chinese man has a desert eagle. Desert itu adalah makanan penutup dan eagle adalah elang. Berarti makan penutupnya elang adalah Chinese man. Anjir gitu. Gila kan arrow leader, let's go. Gue akan pakai UMP. Okay, I will go there in the basement. I will go right here. Fuck me, my head, my eyes. Gua akan sini bro, gua akan hati-hati bro, because if there is a telolet in there, kita harus jaga-jaga juga nih bro. Agar tidak ada telolet di sebelah. Oh my god. Shit, mati lo anjay ya, Yakuza Gun. Holy shit, Team Uncharted. I kill you bitch. You not get, I got a triple kill.
Oh yeah!
Need backup.
Happy Wombo combo. That ain't Falco. Oh!
Oke, gue dapat 4 kill. I got 4 kill man. It's a, oh enggak, 5. It's a pentakill bitch. Oke, I got a telolet right here. Oke, kita akan ke basement lagi karena itu is the best spot to kill everyone. Oke, I have a YouTube channel man. Go check it. Oke, mungkin aku mau ke sini. Oh shit. Gue akan ke sini bro. Biarkan teman gue yang cek duluan. Fuck me. Oh enggak, aman, teman gue semua di sini.
Cool.
Kayaknya ada orang deh baru tuh. Aduh, banyak betul asapnya. Ini sepertinya terorisnya nggak berani maju nih bro. Oh fuck me. Untung ada si Cina ini. Oh shit, ada teroris di sebelah situ. Bantu juga bro. Oh what the hell is that? Shit man.
Shit, fuck me.
Bitch. Bis. Dapat banyak kill dia, bro.
Fucking Beast.
Bis, why you kill me, Bis?
I
Israel.
have noon.
Nun. Dia bilang nun. Sip memang. Agak Promadeli ini sialan memang. Tim Uncharted kayaknya hebat bro. Kayaknya gue pernah main juga sama si yang tim Uncharted itu deh. Maybe sudah ada orang yang jaga-jaga sih. Ini akan sangat berbahaya bro. If Telecom is ketahuan in here, we will be die soon. In here. Oh shit! Peace! Kita lihat si Telolet. Oh, dia sudah mati, bro. Hell in my hand. Bego, lo gerak-gerak Cina. Sorry. Gua nggak maksud. Attack teams. IRRS ini memang hebat tadi sih, bro. Apakah masih ada si Telolet, si Bis sudah mati rupanya. Uncharted menunggu sedangkan ada orang. Oh, you were known, Bis, you were known.
Yeah, you know.
I'm first in my list.
Okay, Israel man. Okay.
Terrorist guy. She's a gay guy motherfucker.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, calm down, man.
And he got another kill. IRS approaching the site. He's there.
Oh, yes. We are spectating this game.
Guy approaching. It's a Chinese guy against a Chinese guy. I don't
Chinese
know how
guy.
to pronounce their name.
Chinese is Israel.
This round.
Chinese is Israel.
He has to rescue the
Chinese
hostage.
vs. Chinese.
And he make it.
He is a noon.
And he makes it.
Yes. He can extract the hostage. Got a headshot for that Chinese man.
Chinese guy.
Dual Chinese man.
Amazing. Bloody amazing.
Telolet win.
Go Telolet, go. Anim chick, boost your skill. Oh, anim chick, what the hell, anim chick. Oh, si Cika kasih titik-titik, bro. Ada orang sebelah sini. Si Aman rupanya tidak ada orang sama sekali. Aman sini, bro. Aman di sini, bro. Let's check in here.
Smoke.
4-1 setting, bro. Shit, man. Oh shit, pelurunya sudah habis. Pelurunya sudah habis. Kayaknya ada orang ini, bro. Soalnya kena darah itu, bro. Need backup, Telolet. In the side hole.
Smoke. Yes.
Oke, gue dapat satu. I got the Chinese man. Go Telolet. Go. I'm low health. Shit.
He gets down by the Chinese guy.
Okay.
He's playing. And he rescued the hostages. And 80k teams, I am Noon.
You were a nice shotcaster, Beast.
And he misses the shot. Whoa, Sing with the kill on
Sing.
Amazing kill by Sing. So I am Noon.
Sing is ready to fire in the with his AWP. Oh, Chinese man got a kill. Team Uncharted.
Get the kill and he spots the terrorist outside.
The last Chinese man is uluring waktu. Shit, got a headshot for that.
Oh, what a game. They're out of time. Get a kill.
Whoa, but terrorist is
What a
still
amazing
the
play from the
winner.
Chinese guy.
Sorry bahasa Inggris gue acak-acakan, bro. Sialan tuh memang bis. Dia jadi shotcaster bagus banget itu, bro. Shotcaster CS:GO International, bro. Heboh, Telolet om katanya. Oke, kita main lagi. Oh shit. There's AWP in there, bitch.
Flashbang out. Incendiary out. Decoys out.
Jaga-jaga. Tidak ada AWP.
Grenade.
Shit.
Flashbang.
Tuh.
Throwing smoke.
Loncat.
Covering with smoke.
Gua aman sini, bro. Telolet here. Oh shit, itu ada orang, bro. Itu ada musuh, bro. Gua lihat tadi, bro, ada sing sini, bro. Shit, you sing. Oh shit, dia ngambil. Oh, AK-nya.
Need backup.
Oh shit. Lag.
Target spotted. Need support. Throwing flashbang.
Aman. Gua mau hostage dong.
Hostages coming out. Need backup.
Need backup, man. Need backup. Oh, sepertinya akan ada musuh di sebelah sini. Dan boom, I got your motherfucking asshole. Beast, I kill you. Telolet om. Aduh, nggak nyampe. Gue nggak dapat uang tambahan nih, bro.
Let's go.
Gue bisa dapat uang tambahan nih, bro. Oke, kita lihat belakang lagi. Dan sepertinya gue tergeser menjadi peringkat kedua. Kenapa jadi bom itu, anjay? Dia aman sebelah sini. Tidak ada oh ada sorry.
Need backup.
Sepertinya sudah terjaga oleh si Telolet.
Flashbang out.
Oh,
Covering with smoke.
apakah ada enemy sebelah sini?
Decoys out.
Gua nggak tahu.
Throwing incendiary.
Gua nggak mau habisin peluru.
Covering with smoke.
Shit man. Tito, I kill you, Tito. Moek Tito itu Bayu. There's no enemy in there, bitch. Oh, sisa satu ternyata. Gua kenapa nggak berani ke situ? Dipisau sekalinya, kawan. Oke, gua dapat ini apa ini AWP. Sorry banget kawan, ya facecam gua tadi hilang. Gua tadi nggak ngelihat karena batas DSLR gua ngerekamnya cuma 20 menit dan gua tadi lebih ngerekamnya 20 menit lebih. Fuck me, sorry ya. Facecamnya hilang. Nah, sebentar aja kok. Oke, kita lanjutin lagi nih, bro. Oh, gue kira AK full injector tuh.
Smoke.
Oh my god, gua kena AWP, bro. Sorry banget, gua kena AWP. Shit man. Where's beast? Sing. Oh, this is a beast. Ini pakai 9 ice.
Flashbang.
Sepertinya sebentar lagi bisa mati dan Protey with his M4A4 Dragon Beast King atau Dragon King kayaknya. Oke, gue nggak bisa pakai AWP ini.
Flashbang out.
Gue harus pakai submesin gun deh, bro. Oke. Oh, Tito bertemu dengan musuh-musuh. Shit man. Bis belum ada mati ya. Waduh, hebat banget bro.
Let's go.
Moek Tito. Moek.
Grenade out.
Bis menunggu dengan AWP-nya di sini. Dan Bis tidak terlihat apa-apa, tidak melihat siapa-siapa. Dan Bis ketinggalan zaman karena musuhnya sudah di belakang dia. Sepertinya Beast ditipu oleh attack team. Oke, you are a nun.
No.
Just kidding bro, just kidding. I will use P90 dan 57. Oke, nice. Go telo, let's go. Oh, I got it from my daddy, is gone. I got it from my daddy, sudah keluar dia bro, sialan. Kok dia keluar ya bro? What's wrong with him? I don't fucking know. Man. Shit, man. Muat Tito. Aduh, gua nyangkut di lampu nih bro. Oh enggak aman.
Throwing smoke. Covering with smoke.
Oke, kayaknya semua musuhnya ini kepanikan ya bro. Tekar panikan. Dan kayaknya gua akan nunggu ya sini bro.
Smoke.
Siapakah yang akan timbul setelah asap ini hilang bro. Oh, Beast, I got it you from my daddy, Beast.
Throwing fire.
Shit, man. Oh man, Beast, upil gua itu gua gatel. Sepertinya misalkan kalah di round ini kayaknya kawan-kawan. Chinese man versus Pro Thai. Oh shit, okay. Aman.
Don't Pro Thai get the kill or will the
Pro Thai.
in victory?
The Chinese man is waiting.
Bro, you cannot commentate, bro. You have an Indonesian
Looks like the
accent.
terrorist will be the winner in this round.
You'll be victorious.
Oh!
Hey, with the walls.
Really nice. Oh, he's scratching the dick.
With the butt cut.
Dia ke pisau anjay.
Come on, let's go.
Aduh, jauh. Gue mau ngeload basement ya bro. Hahaha, anjir, Chinese man-nya pakai hahaha. It's really funny dude. Kita pakai drive 7 untuk ngancurin jendela. Oke, kita masuk sebelah sini, masih aman. Gua nggak punya telolet om. Bitch, where are you, man? Ya, apakah ada orang sih di sini? Tidak ada orang. Oh, check it out, bitch.
Throwing in some
Oh, there is it.
Throwing fire.
There you go, man. I love you, man.
Need support. Need backup.
Sat hole.
Smoke.
Moe Tito.
Deploying decoy.
Waduh. Cuman catet. Oh shit, nah, gue baru aja mau masuk smoke, aduh gue gak ada kill. Kayaknya gue memang gak bisa restuin pakai AWP deh bro.
Fire in the hole.
Fuck me man. Oke, Ribi aloha.
Throwing
Bis
flashbang.
belum mati, aduh dari Chroma Daddy yang itu satu-satunya player yang kuat bro. Aduh bis. Shit.
I have been with the kill. Come on, get this fucker, get!
Oh my god.
Damn, I'm known.
Menang lagi.
What the fuck? Kill her! Oh my god, I've been hit every aloha.
Oh, easy, gua udah siap bro. Aduh, kayaknya gua perlu beli smoke deh bro.
Let's go.
Sakit leher gua bro, sumpah deh. Oke, mari kita main lagi.
Let's go.
Aduh, aduh, aduh,
Go, go, go!
aduh, lambat.
Come on, let's go! Grenade out. Smoke. Flashbang out. Go, go, go! Covering the
Oh, nggak ada orang sebelah sini. Aduh, smoke.
decoy.
Oh, man. The shotgun is at hold. Sepertinya gua akan ke depan nih, bro.
Need backup.
Need backup, man. Need backup. Oh my god. Gimana gua akan menunggu di sini, bro?
Need support. Come on.
Oh, Moitito, darah gua 28. Panik.
Oh, Banik, what you do?
Gua bilang kan, Fan
What the
pasti
fuck
akan
you
muncul.
doing?
What the fuck?
Yo,
What the fuck, man?
very helpful.
Panik lagi menunggu di sini.
Sedih sudah.
4 versus 1.
Nicola,
What?
you know Randy Pangkalila?
I don't know.
Lancau, you don't know.
What?
Randy Pangkalila, you don't know, what the fuck?
What the hell? Dia jadi bilang siapa, bro? Dia sebutkan nama, bro. Do you know Repi Patanuela? Gue dengar Repi Patanuela. What the hell is that? I don't know what is that. Okay. Aduh. Dan sepertinya sudah ada orang yang menyusup ke sebelah sini, bro. Fuck you, man.
Flashbang.
Aduh.
Come on,
Bis.
incendiary out. Go, go, go! Throw smoke.
Aduh, kayaknya gue nggak mau lihat situ, bro. Kok gue lihat situ, bro, gue pasti kena. Oh shit. Oh, itu teman gue, sialan.
Go, go, go!
Lambat ini, bro.
Flashbang. Covering the smoke.
Need backup.
I can see one. Fire in the hole.
Aduh, bis. Sumpah gue takut. Oh, Ripi Aloha. Tuh. Ambil nih. Aduh. Ini muka datar. Gua. Aduh, kalah lagi kan. Loh, kok panik di sini, bro? Santai di nadamu sudah. Asli lama banget gue recording.
What the fuck?
40 menit lagi.
Gigan mana? Allah. Gigan mana?
Gue gak ngerti mereka ngomong apa aja. Bodo amat, yang penting gue harus menang. Ini tim. Oke, guys, let's rush this. Aduh, gue kalah kill, bro. Gue gak ada kill lagi, bro. Shit, man. Semenjak gue MVP tadi gue gak ada kill lagi. Fuck me, lambat banget gue naik.
Come on, let's go!
Go.
Incendiary out. Smoke. Throwing flashbang.
Jalan sini, bro. You need to take the point, man.
Lead. Throwing fire. Throwing fire.
Oh, Yakuza Gun. Oh my god, I got double kill, man.
Covering
Fuck me.
Grenade.
Gua akan menang ini Ron, anjay. Bodoh amat lo. Aduh. Sing. Fuck me man. Sing.
Nice.
Gua fokus.
Need backup.
Go Telolet, we will win this match. Telolet.
I'm here, confirm can win.
Need support.
What the hell? Dia pindah mid bro.
Beast is here, man. Beast. The leader.
Shit, dia gaya anjir. Dia bilang
Yo, gosh, bro. They're all camping. Don't worry, you can go. They're all camping, I know. Shot smoke.
Throwing smoke.
aduh, banyak Tiko ini bro, banyak haluan ya.
Decoys out. Throwing incendiary.
Hey, anybody got smoke or not?
Oh my god.
Anybody got smoke? Or I got smoke?
Fuck me, untung gue dapat. Aduh. Ah! Gue kena kill sama Sing.
Covering with smoke.
Oh my god. Okay, we will win this fucking round. Oh iya, kaki gua seperti ini bro. Gua naikin kaki gua bro. Chinese man versus Chinese man. Kelihatannya,
Come on, let's go.
sepertinya, semungkin ya. Jangan counter terus. Oh, wow. Oke, final telolet. Banyak yang join counter teroris ini bro. Banyak yang berkhianat sekalinya dari teroris sana. Untung gua nggak masuk teroris. Go telolet go.
Go. Let's go.
Go man, go. Gua akan fokus. Gua akan usaha supaya nggak.
Grenade out.
Oke, aman sebelah sini guys.
Grenade.
Sebenarnya gua nggak akan
Throwing fire.
Kayaknya gua akan ke sebelah sini.
Throwing flashbang. Grenade out.
Dan
Smoke.
gua nggak akan ke sebelah situ bro. Kayaknya gua nggak cocok memang di sebelah situ bro. Gua akan ke sebelah sini aja bro.
Throwing smoke. Covering with smoke.
Gua nggak ada kena tembak bro. Aduh, Fidik. Oh nih, gua solo jeput. Gua dipancing, aduh. Go telolet go. Aduh, si bis pindah lagi deh. Aduh. Ayolah. Pasti bisa lah.
Grenade out.
Pasti bisa dong. Ayo dong, mau nangis nih. Yang punya flip knife. Oh, kasih mau.
GG.
Throwing incendiary.
Confirm win one.
Oh man, attack temps mati. Aduh.
Telolet is winner. Telolet is winner.
No, we are telolet. The counter terrorist is the telolet.
No. Yeah, GG bro. Nice one guys. You see?
No. Israel is not bad. What the hell? Okay, that's enough for me right now, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this telolet. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Fucking amazing.